Hello and welcome to Unit 6, VBA. This particular week, you're going to go in to watch the TED Talk video, The Rising Tide of Work Automation by David Smith. You're going to review the website, Effective Ways to Use VBA Macros in Reporting and Analysis. And you're going to submit your VBA solution script submission, and you're going to do the VBA solution presentation. Don't wait till the last minute, please, because I have a certain due date and for the grades. And if you wait till last minute, something will go wrong, and then you won't be able to turn it in on time. And then there's going to be a complication, and I may not be able to delay turning assignments in or grades in, and then we run into an issue. So either way, please get things in on time this week. If you start early and you have complications, then there's time to react to it. If you start on Friday and there's complications, Saturday may come along, I may not know those complications, and then it's Sunday and it's due and you're scrambling, and I'm sorry. So please plan ahead, be proactive. Otherwise, I think it's going to be a good week and you'll get some good information done. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to seeing what you have to say.